Good morning and welcome to the OFX Currency Corner. Today we're going to explore the Australian dollar sell-off last week and the dip below 74 US cents and the touch of 13-month lows at 73.48. The primary drivers of that were the evaporation of risk appetite last week as trade tensions between the US, China and now Europe continue to escalate and those fears of an all-out trade war are renewed. Couple that with commentary from the RBA and a change in their rhetoric in the minutes on Tuesday that suggests the next interest rate move may not necessarily be up, and it opens the door to a possible rate cut next year and further highlights the divergence between US central bank policy and our own Reserve Bank's monetary policy outlook. Looking ahead this week, our focus remains primarily on trade tensions, and looking into that, the EU summit at the end of the week poses a significant risk event. Couple that with some key macroeconomic data sets coming out of the US in the form of GDP numbers for Q2 and PCE index inflation data, as well as macroeconomic indicators for growth across Japan, Europe and the UK, all affecting that risk outlook. For further guidance at this stage, we're looking at support now becoming resistance at 74.30, and we touched upon that last week, with downside moves towards that 73.30 handle now open if we see another consolidated break below 74. For further direction, please don't hesitate in contacting our dealing teams.